Hi guys, in front of me is Huawei Mate 20X and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So first of all, enter the settings, then find and select System and Updates, select Language and Input, click on default keyboard. It's a Swift key keyboard, so let's go back, mark Swift key, and here mark languages. Here, select the language that you want to add. You can unmark some language that you currently have, then select the language that you want to use, and that's it. As you can see, it is applied. You can leave it by itself, or you can stay with both languages if you want to. It's absolutely up to you. But this is the panel where you can set up keypad language, keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.